Good evening, students. Today I am going to explain an important question for CBSE board exam, class 12 mathematics. So please look at the solution and practice at home. So the solution as follows. Please look at the problem carefully. Find the perpendicular distance of the point 1, 0, 0 from the line x minus 1 by 2, y plus 1 by 3 minus 3 is equal to z plus 10 by 8. Also find the foot of the perpendicular and the equation of the perpendicular. So let us solve the question with the diagram. Given that the point is given P1, 0, 0. So from this point we have to find the perpendicular distance of the line. This is given line L1, and this is the foot of the perpendicular. You could say Q. Let us say the foot of the perpendicular Q. Then so given line x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 1 by minus 3 z plus 10 by 8. So any point on this line you can say k is equal to k. Take k. Then any point on this line in the form of x minus 1 by 2 is equal to k, therefore x is equal to 2k plus 1. Similarly, y plus 1 by minus 3 is equal to k, therefore y is equal to minus 3k minus 1. Similarly, z value 8k minus 10. Right. Now this is let the coordinates of q can be 2k plus 1 minus 3k minus 1 8k minus 10, because this is a point, any point on this line in the form of like this, so it can be a foot of the perpendicular because q is also a point on the line L1. Now since PQ is perpendicular to L1, therefore the direction ratios of PQ is equal to क्या होगा, direction ratios of PQ x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So 2k plus 1 minus 1 comma minus 3k minus 1 minus 0, 8k minus 10 minus 0. That implies that is equal to 2k minus 3k minus 1, 8k minus 10. So these are the direction ratios of line PQ. Okay, and the direction ratios of L1 as per the given question 2 minus 3 8. Therefore the condition is since PQ perpendicular to L1, the formula for the condition for perpendicular of two lines A1 A2, the product of the direction ratios A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. Therefore 2k into 2 comma minus 3k minus 1 plus minus 3k minus 1 into minus 3, 8k minus 10 into 8, that is equal to 4k is equal to 0. 4k plus minus 3k into minus 3 minus 9k minus into minus plus 3 plus 8 8 is 64k minus 10 8 is 80 is equal to 0. That implies it is after simplification 64 plus 4 68, 68 minus 9, 68k minus 9k, it is around 59k minus 59k 59k, then minus 80 minus 80 plus 3, it is minus 80 plus 3, it is minus 77. So here minus 3k into minus 3 plus 9k. Okay, so it is 64 plus 9 73 plus 4 77k minus 3 minus 80 minus 77 is equal to 0. That implies k is equal to 1. K is equal to 1. Therefore, foot of the perpendicular is given by 2k plus 1. So 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 comma minus 3 into 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 8 into 1 8 minus 10 minus 2. So this is the foot of the perpendicular. Then you can find easily the distance PQ is equal to using distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So 3 minus 1 2 square plus minus 4 minus 0 minus 4 square minus 2 minus 0 minus 2 whole square. So that is equal to root over 4 plus 16 plus 4. So which is around root 24 units. So and also we can find the equation of PQ using the formula x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c, because we can find the direction ratios of PQ by substituting k value in this and it is passing through the point 1 0 0. So I request all of you to practice this question again, and if you have any kind of doubt, please please send your doubts in the commentary box. Thank you very much.